In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Better Search Replace plugin in WordPress. This plugin helps you safely find and replace text or URLs across your WordPress database, which is especially handy after a site migration or a domain change. Start by heading to the Sites page on WordPress.com and sign in if prompted. This brings you to your list of sites so you can manage settings in one place. From here, open the Plugins section. This is where you can browse and add tools to extend your site. Quick note: plugins are available on eligible WordPress.com plans, so if you don't see the option, you may need to upgrade before proceeding. In the plugin search bar, type Better Search Replace. When the plugin appears in the results, select it to view more details. Open the main plugin card to access its full information page. Taking a minute here helps you confirm it's the right tool and understand how it works before activating it. On the plugin page, browse the Description tab first. This gives you an overview of what the plugin does and typical use cases, like updating old URLs after moving your site. Next, check the Installation tab to understand how WordPress.com will handle setup for your site. It's straightforward, but it's good to see the flow ahead of time. Then, review the changelog to confirm the plugin is actively maintained and compatible with the latest WordPress version. Finally, open the FAQs. You'll find answers to common questions, including guidance on handling serialized data and how the dry run feature works. Even if you're familiar with search and replace tools, these details can save you time and prevent mistakes later. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you into a setup flow tied to your site. On the next screen, use the domain search to choose a path forward. If you're creating a new site, you can search for an available domain. If you already have a domain elsewhere and want to use it on WordPress.com, select the option to bring it over to WordPress.com. This lets you connect or transfer your existing domain so everything lives in one place. Follow the prompt to enter your domain when highlighted, then continue. WordPress.com will handle the rest of the onboarding, and once your site is set, you'll be able to activate Better Search Replace from your plugins area. Pro tip before you use it: always make a backup and start with a dry run to preview changes. That way, you can confirm exactly what will be updated before committing. And that's it. You've found the plugin,